Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. And today I'm sharing a recipe of Arvi Gosht. First of all, I'm going to pre-boil the beef in the pressure cooker. Then take one pan and put oil in it, and when the oil heat up, put whole garam masala, and when you see the sprinkles in the garam masala, then add onions. Stir well and let it cook until the onion turns into golden brown. And when onion turns golden brown, then add Arvi in it, which is taro root, or it's called Arvi too. So mix it well and let it cook until Arvi changes the color. Then add spices and cook with the spices for around 2 to 3 minutes. Add salt per taste. I'm adding 1 spoon of salt and 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon of red crushed pepper, and 1 full spoon of turmeric, and 2 full spoon of dhania jeera powder. After 2 minutes, now add tomatoes and mix it well and cook for another 5 minutes until the tomatoes get softened. I'm adding Thai chili as well. If you don't want that much spicy, you can skip that. After 5 minutes, as you see, the tomatoes are well cooked, oil is getting separated. So now I will add beef, which I already pre-cooked in the pressure cooker at the beginning. I'm adding this, mixing it well, and then I will let it cook for around 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes, when beef is well cooked with the spices, I'm going to add 2 cups of beef broth, which is beef yakhni. Then stir well and add cilantro and let it cook for around 20 to 25 minutes from medium to low flame. After 20 minutes, that's how it looks. It's almost ready. I'll sprinkle garam masala powder on the top and let it on medium flame for 5 minutes, and then it will be ready to serve. So that's how it looks. Hope you all like this recipe, and if you have any question, do let me know by comments below. And thank you so much for watching.